Hello, my name is Nutrientstat, and today I'll be presenting on Nutrientstat. Over 1.9 billion people worldwide are being affected by the food they eat. This is leading to overnutrition and lifestyle diseases. The examples of lifestyle diseases will include obesity, infertility, diabetes, and the like. And so this is a problem because the frequency is increasing as countries have become more industrialized, and especially in the case of Kenya, it's even the budgetary allocation for healthcare, 50% of it goes to non-communicable diseases. So our solution currently is to try and prevent the onset of these diseases by information and allowing people to understand what they are taking in their body and how that affects their health. This is the solution of this application at a glance. And now let's go for a live demo, and I can show you how these metrics are being calculated. I'll go here to nutricalc.jcreatives.com, and there I'll create one account, say test use, and then I'll do test use at gmail.com. Then I can find a food that I have eaten, say for this case maybe it's mushrooms, and then I'll come in here and I'll select the day of today, leave the time as 104, and then do half a kilo of that's 500 grams, quantities are in gram. Then I do my height and weight. Then I check on the calculation value. So this gives me the macronutrients in this food that I have said I've eaten, and to tell me I have this kilocalories, and it has also returned to me the results of my BMI here and tell me my health condition. It also returned for me the vitamins and the minerals that I have consumed. This is a standalone nutrition calculator, that BMI calculator, that can measure your BMI directly without recording the data. The previous step records the data in a database for further analysis, but this one doesn't. When you come to the reports and charts will fetch the data from the database which we have recorded. So for this case, we have taken test use at gmail.com, and then the day, let's say it's 7 days from from now. Then once I select that and do enter, I get what I have eaten today, which will be that for the last 7 days. Now this new account that I have used, this is what they have taken. So they're telling me that my mushrooms have 55% proteins, 13% fat, and 35% carbohydrates. Let's see, with this it will tell you, it's telling you like we have rice. You can see we should be between 45 and 65, so that's less. You need to boost up with your some other carbohydrates. Then if I come here and check on my vitamins, it will tell me the vitamins I've consumed for the last 7 days. But in this case, it's just correcting from 1 point which you have just entered, and then you can see like it will tell you also the minerals that you have consumed. Yeah, now beyond that, there's this daily nutrient intake that you take. This is a daily. The other one was 7 days, although you can use it for 1 day, but this one is specifically for daily nutrient, and just select the day like for tomorrow, for today. And when you do your calculate your nutrients, it will tell you today that your carbohydrates it's below the recommended percentage, to tell you you're eating too much protein, and then it will recommend that you contact a nutritionist for further consultation. In this case, you contact Malkia Nutrition for consultation, and with this then you can book for a consultation either offline or online. Thank you.